Hey friends, this is Malvika Prasoon back with the channel. Today I'm gonna do an unboxing video. I have ordered few products from Blue Heaven. So the product is here. I don't have that much patience, so I already opened it. This is the packaging which I got, and inside we can find a box. Blue Heaven Cosmetics is written over here, and the bill. I have already opened this package also, and all the products are wrapped in bubble paper, this one, and I'm going to show which are the products I ordered for. I bought these products from Blue Heaven site on a discount of 17%. So I'm going to tell the discounted price on this video, and I'll give the exact price in the description box below. So I'll give the first impression of each and every product. The first product is Blue Heaven Be Myself Ultra HD Compressed Powder. This is the packaging, a normal cardboard packaging. Inside we can find a plastic packaging along with a mirror in the back side, and the opening of this powder is different. We have to pull like this, and here it comes. A plastic layer comes along with this, and I bought the shade Natural. This is the shade, and I think it's really good. I bought it for 186 rupees, and exact price I don't know. I think this is a new arrival from Blue Heaven range, so I'll be reviewing it in the coming days. The next product is Blue Heaven Diamond Blush on the shade 503. I bought it for 103 rupees. This is the packaging, a normal cardboard packaging. Inside we can find a plastic packet of blush and one puff along with this. One plastic layer is present here, and this is the blush, and this is the shade. Hope you can see. There are some golden shimmery particles present in this blush, and this is the shade, and I think after applying it will give a natural dewy finish. I like it. The next products are Artisto Velvet Matte Lip Crayon. These are for 125 rupees. This is the shade Neon Crush. It's a lovely shade, bright color, and this is Coco Mania. Hope you can see. These are very lovely shades. I love these products. The next product is Blue Heaven Line and Design Sketch Eyeliner. I bought this for 186 rupees, and this is the shade Black. This is the product, and it is so thin that we can draw the line very precisely. Thin or thick, we can draw it very precisely, and the color payoff is good. Next product is Blue Heaven Studio Perfection Oil Free Non-Greasy Primer. This is for 249 rupees. I think for 249 rupees a branded primer is amazing. So this is the product, and I'm going to show you. The primer is transparent, and we'll check. Wow, this is so smooth. I really like this. The next product is Kajal Gold, and this is for 20 rupees. So this is Kajal Gold, and wow, this like stick kind of kajal, and the color payoff is so good for 20 rupees. The next product is Blue Heaven Longwear Lip Color, the shade Hard Rock. It is a brick red color shade, and this is how it looks like. It's a dark red, almost red kind of color, and I bought this for 87 rupees. The last product is Blue Heaven Nail Enamel Remover with Vitamin E and Nail Conditioner. This is for 54 rupees. We will get 100 ml of product. This is how it look like. So that was all about Blue Heaven unboxing. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, please like, hit button and subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell button down there so that you will get notified for the upcoming videos. If you want me to review any product immediately, you can share it in the comment box or you can mail me. And I must say that this is not a sponsored video at all. I just love these products because Blue Heaven is an Indian brand which gives a cheap and best products. So I must suggest these to all. Try it out and share your opinion in the comment box below. And this is Malvika Prasoon signing off. Take care. Bye-bye.